Hi dear everyone, MEM School of Engineering, Department of Mechanical Engineering, online classes, subject Mechatronics, myself Saravanan, Assistant Professor in Mechatronics Department. In last class we discussed with 8255 and the keyboard interfacing. So in the topic of programmable peripheral interface. So now we are going to see about the LED interfacing. That is LED is a output device that is display. That is display how to interface a LED display with the 8085 microprocessor and 8051. So like that we are going to discuss in this chapter. Okay, let's see. So we know that LED means light emitting diode. Okay, so that means if we are giving the power means it will glow. If not means it will be off. That is on and off condition. Generally it is used for give the status of the output. That is whether output is came or not, like that. Then status of if any error it will be glow, like that they are using. So LED, so they are connected with the two forms. One is anode display, another one is cathode display. Okay, so anode connection means that is if you are giving 0 means it will be glow. If you are giving 1 means it will be off. In cathode condition, if you are connecting with the 1 means it will be glow. If you are connecting with the 0 means it will be off. This is the basic concept. Okay, so the larger number of embedded system offers some form of display device to convey the information to the user. So the display can consist of anything from the light indicating that power is on to a complex graphical display showing a representation of a process. The LED is a semiconductor device that produces visible light when a current flows through it in the figure. The intensity of the light is proportional to the current flowing through the LED. So LEDs that produce red, yellow, green in the multiple color. The most common color is LED, is red. Okay, this is the concept. By varying the voltage, we can get the different kind of colors. Okay, this is the common anode arrangement. So that means the plus 5 volt connected with the anode, then cathode point connected with the port. That is for 8255 in 8085. For 8251 port, there we can connect directly to the 8051 port. Okay, that means here if you are putting 0, if you are putting 0 in the B7 or B5 port means the LED will be glow because on the 5 volt will be connected with the ground. So it will be glow. So otherwise if you are giving 1 means there is no flow, current flow between the diode. That is diode will be open circuit. So it is not glow. So it is a logic 0. So that is a concept anode. So cathode means it is a reverse connection between the port and power supply. Okay, this is the concept. Using single LED or multiple LED, we can show the series of light showing. We can show the uh, we can see the intensity of light, like that they will know. Okay, so but if you want to um, display a numbers, if you want to display a numbers means you need to set the displays in a particular format. That is a real-time application of LED is a 7-segment display. So 7-segment display means 7 LEDs. 7 LEDs are fixed in the particular format number. So that is named as A, B, C, D, E, F, G and H for dot pointer. Okay, these are connected in the common line. Okay, so that means if you are giving A is equal to 0, sorry, A is equal to 1, so A will be enabled, that is A will be glow. So for this purpose, if you want to display a number 0 means you have to give input to the A, B, C, D, E and F. Okay, so if you want to represent 2 means A, B, G, E, D. Okay, like that you are giving the input. This is the concept. So this is a multiplexing LEDs using port. So n number of LEDs we can connect it with the different 8255. Here we are using 8085. So we can connect directly to the processor. So we need to connect with the ports. That is 8255 ports. So this is the concept. So now if we are displaying the values 0, 1, 2, 3 like that means what we need to do. Okay, so if you are connecting in the common anode, so common cathode format means, so that is 1 means glow, 0 means off. So that is a condition here. So they developed for 0, so dp and g will be 0, remaining values are 1. That means except g and dp, remaining LEDs are glow. So for this you convert into the XOR code 3f. So 3f value sent to the particular port. If I send 3f value to the particular port means it will be executed the output value 0. So like that they are sending the data. Okay, this is the concept of common cathode LED. So common cathode LED means that is the difference between differ from the common cathode. That is here reverse operation, that is dp and g will be 1, remaining values are 0. This is the concept. Okay, got it. Let's see one by one. If we represent c means it will be 1 1 and 0 0 0 1 1 0. So that is c6. So this is the LED representation, LED interfacing with the 8085. So let's see LED interface with the 8051. LED interface with the 8051. So light emitting diode is a PN junction diode which emits light when activated. It is activated when the PN junction sustains a forward voltage, a current from P to N, called forward current. When this current is applied, the electrons recombine with the electron holes within the device, so thereby releasing energy in form of light. LED finds application in traffic signals, lighting, camera flashes like that. Extra they are using LED. The way to distinguish between the positive and negative terminal is the positive is longer than the negative in length. While LEDs are interfaced with the 8051, so quartz crystals are ceramic resonator that determines the operating frequency of 8051 microcontroller is needed. The XTAL and XTL2 can be configured in two ways: external clock drive configuration, internal clock drive configuration. So two capacitors C1 and C2 are connected to the quartz crystals. It can be quartz crystal or ceramic resonator. The crystal oscillator frequency is from 1.2 MHz to 12 MHz. The crystal oscillator is used to generate clock pulses that provides a mean for timing calculation. So crystal pins are connected to the ground through capacitors of 33 picofarad. In the following diagram, LEDs are connected to the port P0. If LEDs need approximately voltage drop of 1.7 voltage and 10 milliamp current to flow through them in order to glow at maximum intensity. So this is the diagram for 8051 interfacing LED. 8051 interfacing of 7-segment display. So 7-segment display is a 10-pin electronic component with the 8 LEDs embedded inside into the display numbers from 0 to 9. So even can display a few characters like A, B, C, D, E, E, small e, F, and etc. It is available in two configurations: common cathode and common anode. So common anode, to light up any given segment, the corresponding cathode pin should be connected to the ground or reference, which complete the circuit, and LED will be in forward bias. In common cathode, to corresponding LED anode pin, the circuit will be completed and the particular LED will be light up since it will be in forward bias. So this is the concept. A 7-segment display consists of LEDs arranged in the form of a square shade, slightly inclined to the right, and a single LED as the dot character. So different characters can be displayed by selectively glowing the required LED segments. So this is 8051 interfacing of 7-segment display concept. Here we are using 8 inputs from the port 2. So see the diagram. So it's the 8051 interface of 7-segment display. So this is the concept. If you want to display numbers, characters, you need to use the LED interface. So nowadays we are using a LCD, that is 16 cross 2, 16 cross 8, like that. They have different kind of LCD, that is more features than the LED. So that is show the maybe graphs like that showed in the LCD interfacing. That is also we can interface with the 8085 and 8051. Okay, so this is the concept of LED interfacing. Okay, this is the output device. Keyboard is the input device. That is LED as a output device. This board. Okay, so next class we will see the temperature control part. Temperature interfacing, temperature control system using 8051 and 8085. We'll see in the next class. Okay, thank you.